So I'm gonna dip a round skeleton inside chocolate to have a round shape here. And I'm gonna dip it into ice water to instantly fix it. As the water is super cold, you will be able to remove the chocolate instantly. Look at this! And let's create our chocolate cocoa bomb. Some chocolate chips, pumpkin spices, some mini marshmallow. And once you have the bottom of the chocolate bomb, just take the top on a hot pan, melt it a little bit, and carefully put it back. Perfect. So when you're done with your little chocolate bowl here, let's start the decoration. So here we're gonna do a little high. And now let's create a spooky effect on our glass. On the outside, we're just gonna put some fluff here. Perfect.